Have you ever imagined logging into your bank account and seeing zero balance? Not because you spent it, but because someone broke into the system? What if a stock market crashed not due to recession or panic, but because a cybercriminal manipulated trading algorithms from a laptop miles away? Most people think cybersecurity in finance is a technical issue meant only for IT teams. But the truth is it exists to solve a very real and dangerous problem. Money no longer lives in vaults, it lives in code. To see this clearly, imagine something simple. You receive a message asking you to verify your bank details, and one wrong click could expose your entire account. Without realizing it, that moment already shows why cybersecurity is now central to finance. This is the Learning Studio, where we explain how modern finance survives in a digital world. What's really happening in that situation is straightforward. Financial systems store and move massive amounts of sensitive data, balances, identities, transactions, and market orders, all connected through networks. Cybersecurity is the set of controls that protect this data from being stolen, altered, or destroyed. In finance, it isn't just about protecting computers, it's about protecting trust. The same threat operates on a much larger scale every day. Banks defend against phishing attacks that trick users into revealing passwords. Malware and ransomware attempt to lock systems until money is paid. Data breaches expose millions of customer records. Account takeovers drain funds silently. Large-scale attacks can even shut down payment networks, affecting entire economies. Cybercrime has become digital robbery at a global scale. To fight this, financial systems rely on multiple layers of defense. Encryption scrambles data, so stolen information is useless. Multi-factor authentication adds barriers beyond passwords. Firewalls and intrusion detection systems monitor unusual activity. Secure payment gateways protect transactions. Continuous audits and system testing look for weaknesses before attackers find them. Security is no longer a single tool, it's constant vigilance. This is why finance professionals now play a direct role in cybersecurity. Accountants and auditors are no longer just record keepers. They are guardians of financial data. They help ensure secure audit trails, monitor suspicious transactions, protect records stored in cloud and ERP systems, and comply with global security standards. Regulations and frameworks such as ISO Information Security Standards and PCI DSS exist because financial data must remain confidential, accurate, and available at all times. Cybersecurity matters because when trust collapses, finance collapses with it. A single breach can cause financial loss, legal penalties, reputational damage, and market disruption. That's why banks, accounting firms, fintech platforms, and even governments invest billions in protecting digital financial infrastructure. This field continues to evolve because attackers evolve too. Insider threats, human error, rapid technological change, and complex regulations make cybersecurity an ongoing challenge rather than a one-time fix. The goal isn't perfect safety, it's resilience. Once you understand this intuition, cybersecurity stops feeling like a technical side topic. It becomes clear that in digital finance, security is survival. The future finance professional is not only financially literate, but security aware, able to protect systems, data, and trust itself. Now that you understand the intuition behind cybersecurity and financial data protection, the next natural step is to explore quantum computing and financial encryption, where the next generation of threats and defenses is already taking shape. Stay sharp, stay secure, and continue the journey with the Learning Studio, where modern finance meets real-world intelligence.